Okay, again doing this hidden room tour with Walks of Italy, and we are walking on the Appian Way.
You would have had also drainage on the sides as well, so you can't see any of that really today. That's here, these are all grooves. See all of these grooves? And even moved at some point. We've got a military barracks, by the way, just further up. So you can see that here it's, as I said, a regional park, and so you've got some people walking
So
their
we are
dogs,
visiting
running,
the
cycling.
Claudian Aqueduct, which is actually very cool. Look how big that thing is. And this was originally the main aqueduct supplying water into central Rome. Check it out, the Claudian Aqueduct. Look how long that is. And this connected all the way to Rome. You can see the other remnants of it going that way. Incredible. The Claudian Aqueduct, also known as the Aqua Claudia, was one of the 4 great aqueducts of Rome that brought water into the city. It was started by Emperor Caligula and finished by Emperor Claudius in 52 AD. It's about 43 miles long, and this was just part of a really cool walking and bus tour that I did called Hidden Rome with Walks of Italy. So remember, that one close, where you can't go in,